610 PS, right?
Yes.
Driving exotic, you don't want silence. So when is the 750 coming out?
We'll probably see our first car by the end of the year.
Starting MSRP on that?
For the coupe, it's 325, and for the Spider, it's 345.
Oh, okay. I think this car is, doesn't mean cheap, but then price-wise, it is very cheap. And for exotic,
for what it is, yeah, absolutely.
Because very affordable. Softens a lot.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. Coil Hill. I used to live in Coil Hill and then Hidden Canyon. Where do you live?
Anaheim Hills.
Anaheim Hills.
Yeah.
Alone? Alone or?
No, I live still.
Electric cars, frankly.
After driving one for my everyday commuter for the past 4 years, I don't think I can live with that one.
Oh, okay.
I just love how torquey it is, and I can like get around people and no gas. But I can't live without ice either.
Yeah. So you have two cars?
Yeah.
Which is the ice?
I have an Aventador.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
I was like, whoa.
Someday. Someday that's the goal.
Okay.
No, I have a Toyota Tundra.
Tundra, okay.
Yeah. But I have
which model is it?
It's the double cab SR5.
Oh, okay.
2010.
What kind of engine? 4.7 or 5.7?
5.7.
5.7,
Yeah.
nice. Did you do any mufflers or anything?
I have cutouts.
Oh.
Yeah, exhaust cutouts.
You mean the resonator?
Well, I completely bypassed the muffler.
Oh, the whole thing.
But then
after cat.
Correct. Yeah, but I can cap them to go through the muffler if I want.
Okay. Oh.
But I have that Raptor on order, so that'll take place.
Okay.
Yeah.
What year?
That'll be a 23.
Oh, the brand new one?
Yeah.
So how'd you get the allocation?
The V8 supercharged.
It's impossible to get an
I know.
allocation these days. You have connections?
You know what? Actually, a broker called into the store, and I was trying to help him get one of his clients' car, and somehow the conversation.
Okay, so win-win situation.
Yeah, so he started calling around to every dealer known to man, and he found one in Utah.
Oh, wow. I mean, same with my, Tacoma TRD Pro. In manual, it's impossible to find that one. I found one in Washington. I mean, California, you forget it.
Yeah.
You have to find elsewhere. Over 100K.
Yeah, it's 107 plus options.
Plaid 107?
Yeah.
I thought it was more, 150.
Used to be. Now you can order it brand new for 107 plus options.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, so they'll lower down tremendously.
Yeah.
They want more customers.
It used to be 129, and then you add full self-driving, and that's 145.
Budget version of the McLaren. Just like my Camaro LT1, SS, they go for like 50K, 50 some.
Yeah.
Mine was 38 and a half. It does the job. It's got like smaller brakes, then smaller wheels and tires, then 2 less gauges. They usually have like 7 gauges. Mine has 5.
Okay.
So I can see how they kind of made it a little economical. This screen is a little smaller. Has navigation though, right?
Oh yeah.
Touch screen.
Yep.
Touch screen navigation. So what kind of interface do they use?
So it used to be the Iris, like what you had in your 12C.
Oh. Yeah, that's cheap.
Yeah, I mean, that car, you could tell there was some delay. Quite some delay.
Yes, yes.
But it got better as time went on. Like 675 wasn't too bad. But the best one is on the 720.
Cars,
Yeah.
600-700 horsepower isn't enough. I mean, it's good, but it doesn't give me like wow factor. I drove the Ludicrous the other day.
Oh yeah.
It was like 2 years ago. Ludicrous.
The Plaid, or no, sorry, the Tesla.
Ludicrous, yeah. The before Plaid.
The P100D. Yeah.
Wow, that was fast enough.
Oh yeah.
That's like 2.3, 2.5. And there's no waiting. It just
Right,
goes.
it's instant.
Yeah. Did you know that I was an electrical engineer?
I knew you were an engineer, but not an electrical.
So, I have a lot of friends that they work on the electric cars, but I don't like electric cars. That's the ironic side of it.
So if I'm looking at a Tesla, should I go with the Plaid or go with the cheapie? Like the cheap Model 3?
I mean, it all depends on what you want, you know.
I just have the personality of, if I'm gonna buy something, I don't want the cheapie.
Okay, then you need to. How do you put on park?
Just pull your e-brake. Yeah, over there.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
That's it.